Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert your video files. In my case, I have an MPG video files and I want to convert them to MP4 files, and also there are some files that are corrupted in this folder and I also want to uncorrupt them. So this video is going to be about converting and uncorrupting some files using the VLC media player, which means you do not need anything else. For this, we need to open the VLC media player and go to media, and here you can see there is an option called convert or save. We need to add multiple files. In my case, I need all of them to be converted, so I'm gonna select all of them. Once they are added, you can make sure and hit convert or save. There are some other options, but we do not want to use them. We're gonna use convert and save, just like this. And here we also need to we need to change the format. If you are just uncorrupting those files, you can select the same format as MP4. If you want to convert them, you can select MP4 again. Simply select this profile, do not change anything. And also, if you want the dash converted sign on the files or not, depends on you, and hit start. Now this will take some time. It actually takes a lot of time depending on the files or the speed of your system, and this is going to take some time, but I am going to skip it for you guys and I will show you how it works. Okay, so it is next morning. I kept the computer on for whole night, and now you can see all of those files are now converted in MP4 formats, and the corruption, you have to believe it on me, these files are now uncorrupted. I have actually checked them one by one. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Also, make sure you have subscribed.